Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I got mail and I thought since I was already in the process of doing videos, why not just open it and review it with you guys. So you guys, this is a tripod. I purchased this and I thought, so I'm just gonna open it with you guys and just go ahead and do a unboxing and review with you guys right away. Alright, so this is it. I totally forgot that it was coming today. Ooh. It's pretty weighty. Has a lot of weight on it, you guys. So it's Smilco, and it's a wig stand for your beauty. That's what's written on their bag. Oh, it's cute. Normally they come in black bags, but this one is in a gray bag. Different. Okay, so this is what the stand is looking like. So right away I can tell you that this is completely different from all the other wig stands that I have. So this is on here. I'm gonna go ahead and extend these. So let's see what this is all about. This would have been better if the camera was alright. So I'm gonna turn this thing here. Alright, so how do I get the legs down? This is okay. Alright, so I pull it down like so. Okay, so these are just extenders for the legs. So instead of the leg always being down, the legs flip up. Okay, so so the legs are folded. Alright, and then this is the extended part, so you could use it to extend. And then right here it has additional extension parts that can be extended, along with this part that is in here that you can extend. You also have an additional piece that can also be extended right here. And then this is what the top of this is looking like, which is a little bit different from the others that I've also used. Yes, dear? Normally this piece would be a piece that just go over it. It's not like that. So this piece, you are actually screwing it on. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Over there. Okay, so you actually screw this part on. I like that. I like that. But of course, this part is still the same, and you're able to maneuver your wigs. I like that. I actually like that. I like the concept of this. I like that he has two additional extended pieces, so it's longer. I will leave the information in the description box. And I like that the feet are folded, so they can be folded up, and not that, and the other ones are always out, but these you fold them up. It's pretty cute. So nice. That's a pretty nice tripod, and that's from Smilco. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. If I believe my review video should still be my giveaway video should still be up. Go over there and enter that giveaway. You could get some Juvia's Place makeup. What, girl?